So guys, good afternoon. It's already January 1, New Year. So we are here na naman dito sa school, having some celebration of New Year. So ayan, while they're playing Posoy. Ayan. So ayan. Wala pang nananalo. So, sila Daddy, Julius, Michelle at Trinity naglalaro sila. So, yan, yan. Wow! Henry! Favorite mo yan? Mamaw na kang orange kanyan. Mamaw na kang pongkan, ne?
Nagsaging na siya, naubos yung isa.
Wow! So, yan.
Mainit?
Mainit nga.
Nagaling mga GC life nila.
Hindi kailan may bend. Wala pang bender doon sa ano? Sa office. So, ayan. Guys. Alam mo, mas presko pa doon. So, ayan. Okay. Oh, what are you doing? I'll just interview you first.
We're playing the we
What?
love this game called
What's that?
Wedding Journey.
What's that? I don't know. Wow, Sop is very good at playing games.
Look,
I can
it's
see
a
her.
Spider only.
I can see her playing with that.
Spider.
Wow, spider. Okay. Sige, dyan lang kayo So, yan. Guys, it's New Year and ito, andito naman kami sa the tent. The tent is talagang sulit na sulit. Pagkaisa bawat oras sama-sama. Okay, sige. So guys, yan lang. Mamaya, later, prepare ulit si Mami. Magdi-dinner. Okay, sige. Later guys.